Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Abacus for simple math. I think that's how you pronounce it in English, Abacus. I don't know. But it's this thing. It's really fun to clack around. Usually has rows of 10 beads per row, different colors. And what you do when you're adding, we're going to use this top two colors, and I'm going to show you with one digit addition at first. So blue will be blue. So we're going to do, like, for example, 6, come on, plus, and what are we going to add to this? 6, oh God, I'm putting the wrong really on. All right, 6 plus 3. So first, with the top, we're going to make all the beads be on the same side. We're going to take 6 and move them over. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 right here. Then we need the 3. So we're going to take 3 and move them over from the reds. 1, 2, 3. So you see you have this group of beads right here? And that's your answer. So we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9. And that's our magic answer. Ooh. And now I'm going to show you how the abacus works for subtraction. So, again, we're going to start with the blue, I guess. And it's going to be different this time. So let's do like 8. You get 8 at first. Minus, what are we going to take away from the 8? Let's take away 5. Got this. So this is all, like, let's say you start with 8 basketballs, because they're round. This thing's rounded. No, it's more like blueberries. Okay, 8 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blueberries, right? And you're gonna take away 5. So something happened to those 5 blueberries. Your little sister came and ate your blueberries. So you're missing 5 blueberries. So we got to take away those blueberries your little sister ate, right? She ate 5 of them. So let's take away those 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now, this is how many are left after your little sister ate 5 blueberries. Got 3 blueberries left. Not a lot. Ta-da! Now that's when it's easy. Now we'll do it with regrouping. Now let's say you got more than 10 of something. So something that's blue and that's pink. I'm gonna do ice cubes. You got 8 ice cubes. And then you gotta make 4 more ice cubes, but they're pink this time. And you're adding them. So you got 8 plus 4, right? So we're gonna move our 8 blue things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our 4 red things, or pink things. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got colored ice for some reason. And now let's count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Use both colors. So we got a whole 1 in the 10s, right? And 2 in the 1s. And I'm going to show you. That's one way of using the abacus. When we add the 4. Another way of doing it, this is totally different. We still got the 8, right? So we're going to count over the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you want to add 4. You're just going to count 4 more. 1, 2. You run out of them here, so you have to use them from the bottom. 3, 4. And then this becomes like, this is your 10, because it's a whole group. So that's one group of 10. And then there's 2 little ones left over. It's another way of looking at it. The abacus. It's mysterious and has many ways of using it.